Good morning, the team will be with you in just a moment.
Are you ready to get started?
Looks like we have a whirlwind of new collateral files moving in. This is file 12357. Please pay close attention. I do believe this file is incomplete.
Touchstone allows the user to organize collateral files and keep track of all of its contents. We can enter the date showing when a file is received in our system. While in review, we will be able to keep track of the many documents and ensure it is complete. There may be missing documents that we need to create or obtain. These are called exceptions. But don't worry. That's what Touchstone is for.
As I suspected, you are missing an assignment. Touchstone can help us prepare the missing assignment to complete your file.
Touchstone is perfect for creating assignments. Now that Julia has completed your review, I see that we have a missing assignment. Is that right? In Touchstone, we have all of the necessary information to prepare the missing assignment. Because of Touchstone, we know the requirements based off the state and the district. Enter the necessary information and then click to create the document. We are now ready to record your missing assignment. Touchstone is the perfect solution. Don't you think?
This is the recording department. They are kind of like a document superhero of sorts. They are responsible for recording documents all over the United States. By utilizing Touchstone, they know the requirements and can calculate recording fees. Say hello to our superhero and his sidekick. Perhaps like a Batman and Robin duo.
But I'm Dave.
Once a document has been received back from the recording district, we can synthesize the document as confirmed. We capture the recording information in Touchstone. Then it is ready to be imaged and stored. Are you ready to see the vault? Don't be sad. The vault is like one big party for files.
You had quite a time learning all about Touchstone. And look at all of your new friends here in the vault. Like Frank here, he is from New York. Denver over here is from Colorado. And Kali, I am not sure, without looking in the module. But the great thing is, you don't have to worry, because Touchstone knows where you are at all times.
And there you have it. Touchstone is cloud-based, user-friendly, and available anytime, day or night. With Touchstone you can create releases, assignments, note endorsements. It really is endless. All within the cloud to keep your data safe and secure. What are you waiting for?